This CFX bonus is rather unique. The 3x10 Force Matrix is for all members to benefit from, regardless of whether you're a CFX customer, only focusing on bear capital, or whether you're recommending CFX to others and also wanting to accumulate bull capital. The very first time each member purchases a trade package, they secure a position in the Force Matrix. The structure of this bonus is significantly different from the unilevel, where you may have 1, 5, 10, 100, or even more members making up your level 1. In the Matrix, there's only room for 3 people. So if you share CFX with more than 3 friends, the additional friends will drop down below in the next space available. This is why CFX customers that refer CFX to no one still have an opportunity to benefit from this bonus, as they very easily could end up having individuals dropped down below them after they've secured a position in the Forced Matrix. The matrix grows in multiples of 3 to a maximum of 10 levels, hence the name 3x10. And the money that feeds the matrix comes from a 20% withdrawal fee that all members contribute to, which is why all members potentially can benefit from this bonus. It's very important to note that the 20% withdrawal fee is designed for disbursement into 3 bonuses. It is not meant to be a profit center for the company. 50% of the withdrawal fee feeds this 3x10 matrix. 10% of the fee is for a matching matrix bonus, and the remaining 40% is for leadership rank bonuses. Allow me to explain how this very powerful bonus works. If you look on the right-hand side of each level, there's a green number, starting at 3% on level 1, and 3% on level 2, and 3% on level 3, all the way through to 10% on level 10. Added together, these numbers total 100%. So as an example, if a member on your matrix level 4 was making a $1,000 withdrawal, 20% fee would be $200, and 50% of that would be $100. That's $100 that's entering this matrix. Because the person that made the withdrawal is on your level 4, of the $100 entering the matrix, $5 would go to you. Likewise, if a member on your level 7 was making a $2,000 withdrawal, that would be a fee of $400 with $200 going into the matrix. Level 7 is a 30% level, so you would receive $60 of the $200 going into the matrix. As your matrix begins to fill up organically with friends sharing with other friends, and everyone in your matrix making withdrawals, this begins to become a very powerful bonus for you. When you factor in the concept of each and every member in your matrix on a journey towards $100,000 trade package, which would mean much larger withdrawals, you can see the potential of this very exciting and dynamic bonus. The Force Matrix contributes towards bear capital. And also a part of the Force Matrix is a 10% matching bonus. Anyone that you've sponsored into the CFX platform, in other words, anyone that you're earning a fast start bonus from, you'll also be earning a 10% match of anything they earn in their matrix. If you notice the trade packages on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see which trade package unlocks which level in the 3x10 matrix. This is especially powerful for customers who may never refer anyone to CFX, but still have opportunities to earn within the matrix. This also serves as motivation for those customers to move their way up the trade package ladder as well, because in addition to unlocking greater depth in the matrix, each time they upgrade a trade package, they have more capital being traded and therefore are making larger daily trading gains. And of course for you, anytime those customers upgrade a trade package means another fast start bonus and another contribution to your unilevel. This personal matching bonus contributes towards your bull capital, and therefore the Force Matrix affects both bull and bear capital.